Hey guys, so today is June 9, 2018 and we're here at the Mother Falls in Baler, Aurora.
Ooh, we should stay out. Yeah, we should stay.
Sabay
Cute
nyo na rin
ng dog.
sa akin. Mas cute ako.
Ang dog.
Yan, so nag-start na kami ng trek to the, ay tawag doon? Mountain Mother Falls. Something. Kamusta ka naman, Destin?
Out like all day. We getting faded when the sun up just to ease into the day. Sipping Dawn Perignon with Perrier. The whole damn day go to waste, but it's straight.
Kunwari masaya! Pero pagod! O, exposure. Hi. Kamusta ka naman, ikaw, Ali? Kaya mo ba?
Dito kami sa Sierra Madre. Sierra Madre daw, sabi ni ate. Marunong ka pa sa tour guide.
Bakit mo ko sinisigawan?
Wow, fresh oh. Ay, mo zoom.
Paya. Tuloy tayo sa beach, tapang-tapang. Chester!
Ate, lupa-picture kami.
Ah, sige. Sana naman kung buwis buhay ang pag-vlog natin.
Ano mukha mo lang eh? Picture mo dito. Yun na.
Oh! Wait!
Cause 85 is sunny means the whole damn team can go and play. Know I'm gifted, getting lifted almost every single day. Ain't talking cheaper, but I'm speaking how my mind can elevate. Renovate your inner circle if they ain't building you up. But I've been with the
Hi, Ali!
same people from the second grade bus. Same us, same trust, yeah. Sticking to the script. Women used to overlook me, now they hopping on my. I ain't trying to flex though. You should see the noties on my cell phone. It's looking like a busy day on Melrose. I'm talking hella traffic on the Ave. I'm securing the bag, the first to the last. I'm taking every turn on the path, cause it's a marathon, dog. I ain't scared of y'all, dog. In the kitchen, I've been cooking, been preparing y'all's love.
Ay, wala na. Binlag pa. Support. Vlog. I-vlog daw po natin siya for exposure. Support. Ikaw naman. So cute. Hi, Janine! Halika na. Punta na tayo doon. Uy, mami! May pang-isdita, no? Lawin ka. Try natin to. Uy, kanina chinelas to. Ay, ka ba ba?
It's like a 5-course meal, baby, what you want first? Any problems in my life, I always throw them in my verse. Consider this an invitation to my reconciliation. All these tips and indications show we got no limitations. La, 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 I'm in the light blue sky.
Yan, so we are now at the house of Aurora, Quezon. Ito si Aurora eh, ayan o.
Hello.
Hindi na, pumasok na tayo.
And I don't wanna go la 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 la. So we should stay out all day. Yeah. La 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 la. I'm in the light blue sky.
Natakot ako sa binti. Natakot ako. Ang laki niya. Sa vlog. Nandito na yun. I'm shocked.
O yan, jolly ka na, exposure.
Hello.
Saan tayo papunta?
We're going in
At the... So we're going inside the Baler Church.
Baler Church. Look.
Fresh.
Yeah. With the shades. Uy.
And I don't wanna go la 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 la. So we should stay out all day. We should stay out la 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 la. Yeah, we should stay out like all day. La 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 la. La la la. Ay, I'm over Monday.
Sarap! Ba't parang nasa avocado? Hindi ko alam. Ano ba flavor yan?
Mangga.
Da! Grabe naman kayo sa akin. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Museo de Baler. Ang makikita daw doon is yung mga artifacts ng Baler. Siyempre ng mga artifacts ng ibang lugar.
Mondays, now we flying one ways. 20-minute flights over Manhattan, hit the runway. Money is the root to all this evil, that's what some say. Well, I've been earning something less than chump change. Fuck it though, we rockin' through the valleys. Rep a trip to Cali, come back from a bend to keep it pushing. Got a boot and rally, tally up the sweetest moments ever. Like they Laffy Taffies, rockin' shows around the coast. I'm trying to push that shit to Tallahassee, ayy. So listen, I'm tryna get caught in the mix. So baby, just throw me a J in a fifth and tell me you rockin' with this. What is the word? What is the sitch? Shorty got honey and beautiful lips. Ayy, so baby, just throw me a J in a fifth and tell me you rockin' with this. Rockin' with this. The clock tick, tick, tick. Ayy, ayy, and then it's gone.
Yan, so we're here at Sabang Beach, pero hindi na ako mag-swimming. Ang mag-swimming na lang sa amin is si Bitong and si Ja. Kasi ayoko na magbasa eh. Saka sobrang init. Yon, so ang ending, magsiswimming din pala. Kanina mga walang balak. Alabit! Pero sila dyan, magsisurf daw sila. Andon, kasi ang layo eh. Punta natin. Nakatay natin sila. Slippers ka? Huwag mo dyan iwan yung slippers mo.
In the wind, and then it's gone with the thrill. 24, we got all this to kill. La, 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 la. I'm in the light blue sky, and I don't wanna go la, 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 la. So we should stay out all day. Yeah. La, 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 la. I'm in the light blue sky.
Ayan, so after nating mag-support sa ating mga kaibigan,
Maghanap na tayo sa salamin.
maghanap na tayo ng salamin ko. Wala. Diyos ko, paano ako uuwi bukas? Wala akong salamin. Tara, atid mo ko sa amin, Ter, bukas. Baka maling UV masakyan ko. Pinagtawanan ako ni Jess.
I don't wanna go la 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 la. So we should stay out all day. We should stay out la 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 la. Yeah, we should stay out like all day.
Yan, so naglalakad na kami ngayon sa hanging bridge. Parang mas parang ano na siya eh, may sounds siyang nakakatakot. Pero mas nakakatakot pala yung sa sa Cloud9, sa Antipolo. Kasi yun pataas, eto lang, pa straight. Tignan mo tong mga to. Naiwan na tayo.
Ikaw nga nagpa-vlog dyan eh.
At least dire-diretso.
La 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 la. La 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 la. We should stay out. Yeah, we should stay out like all day.
Yan, so nandito na kami sa other side ng Ermita Hill. Yung kanina hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng clip. Ha? Kwento ko ulit. Okay ma, Sa dito makikita nyo may bato tsaka may mga tao kasi dati daw nagkaroon ng tsunami dyan. Tapos dyan daw umakyat yung mga tao. Yun yung nire-represent niya.
Sa akin din eh.
May, isa daw suman. Suman po. Parang suman po.
Yan, so nandito kami sa may mga rock formations dito sa Baler. And kaya ako nakapayong kasi umuulan. Ay, hindi pala umuulan, umaambon. Yun, so after nito meron pa kaming isang place na pupuntahan and then that's it. Yan.
La 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 la. Ooh, we should stay out. Yeah, we should stay out like all day.